Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an atomic LCD digital clock. We are going to check this thing out. What's good about these is they set themselves atomically. And so, okay, here's all the parts, pieces and parts out of it. It comes with some instructions here. And we have our clock there, and we have a remote for it as well. So let's see what we got here. So this is going to stand up here. I'm going to aim you guys down so you can be looking at that instead of me. But let's see, what do we need to do here? We need to put some batteries in it. Looks like it's going to take 3 of the, what are these, double A's? 3 double A's. I have my battery pack here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, there we go. So there we have that. Let's see, and here is a remote of some sort. I think this is going to be probably the temperature sensor, and it's going to take 2 AAAs, it looks like. 1, 2. Okay. So here we go. So we have 69.2 degrees Fahrenheit on here, 69 degrees 0.6, I guess, at this unit. Oh, look at this. It's going to have something to peel off. Oh, I missed the little end, but. Let's see. Okay, so there we've peeled off all the stuff. So let's see, how do we set it set? Okay, so now it's set for on, so it's going to be doing its type, so it should set itself at some point. Yeah, it's set. Oh, it says it probably wants to be outside or somewhere to get some signal to start off with. Oh, yeah. So let's see. Manually set the time. We can manually set it, or we can automatically set it. I think it's set to automatic, but let's see. Okay, so I put it over by the window for a few minutes, and look at this, 3:35. It's actually 4:35 here, but because I set it for the 6-hour time difference, I am on Mountain Standard Time, I think is what I set it for. But you can see back here, you have your different settings for it. So I have 6 is for Central Time, 7 is for Mountain Time. But then we have the temperature. We can set an alarm on it. We got everything. So my alarm's set for 6 a.m. for alarm 1. Alarm 2 is set for 2 p.m. And then there we go. And it set it for 9/3. That's the right date. And it's Tuesday, so it set everything for me. So I didn't even have to set anything. I did not mess with the settings of it. So there. And then we have the on-off button back here, which turns on the light, which you guys won't be able to see because it's not really dark. I don't think there's any way to get it dark enough in here right now for this. I would have to do it at nighttime. But the concept is it has like a light, so it'll light up. So really cool, and you can hang it up from here, or you could just put it on the counter like this. So really cool. Thumbs up for sure.